At Centrica Business Solutions, we install and maintain CHP units for a variety of customers and applications. Here are some of the frequently asked questions that we receive. Well, CHP being an engine at its core means that we have to change the oil, the filters on there like you would do on any particular engine. We also make an awful lot of measurements on a CHP to understand its wear and tear. We take an oil sample at every single service, which is a big part of the maintenance programming that we do. This is then sent off to a laboratory to analyse the components of that oil, and depending on what comes back gives us a great view of where the engine is up to in its life cycle. We observe how many hours they've run and work with the original engine manufacturers to ensure that services are completed at the timescales that they put. But I should also note that the sophisticated remote monitoring system on the CHP means that we've got a 24-hour connection to it and two-way communication. So we are always receiving an awful lot of data and information from that unit to try and see if anything is going outside a parameter before something happens. In terms of how maintenance frequencies are determined, this is based on run hours when it comes to a CHP engine. So we also work with original engine manufacturers to follow their schedules, as well as using our own expertise and experience based on oil sample analysis. We do this through a number of options, including continuous remote monitoring of the CHP units so we can understand its status, two-way communication around the clock, plus our expertly trained field service team are audited and go through a period of continuous improvement and training to make sure that the standards we expect as Centrica are maintained.